Team up, folks. So today we're going to see about time traveling. We're going to see that whether it's possible or not. We're going to see some of the incidents which happen related to time traveling. There are some people who say time traveling is possible, and some people say it's not possible. But the scientists like Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking say that it is possible, and one day it will happen. The people who doesn't believe in time traveling say that if there was time traveling possible in the future and they found a machine to it, why didn't they come to the past and see us now? It might be a little confusing for you guys, but if you think twice, you can understand it. If they found a machine in the future that you can do time traveling, they might have definitely come to the past and they would have seen us. But they haven't not. Now I'm just going to give a basic idea just to tell you guys how that time traveling is possible. This idea was told by Albert Einstein. He told that if you go inside a black hole, time traveling is possible. Because black hole is like a tunnel which just transfers us from one side to another side of a very distant part. So this is a shortcut which is taking you from one side to another side. But the shortcut is just taking you a long side. So the distance it takes you depends will be more than billions of light years. Black holes are found by collapse of big stars. So the normal distance between the two black holes will be many billion light years. But if you travel to it directly in a black hole, you just come out another side of it. Einstein tells that space and times are curved. So if you go to a black hole, you just come to another side. If you're a person that you always like to research about time traveling, you might have known that in 2017, Apex TV showed a video about a time traveler named Noah. So they released a video called Noah the Time Traveler. You can also see in YouTube now. And in that video, that guy said that I came from 2030. At the year by 2030, time traveling is possible and I have a chip inside my hand which I used for time traveling. His voice was computerized and his face was blurred. When he asked why, he said that I didn't legally did time traveling. So he just started by mistake and stuck in the past. And if I show my face and voice to you guys, I'll be stuck in a great problem. So that's why his face was blurred and his voice was masterized by a computer. We don't know whether it is true or not, but one of his predictions that he told, because he came from 2030, so he told the prediction of what happened before that years. One of his predictions was very interesting because he told that by 2030, Martin Luther King's granddaughter will become the president of America. And if you look now what is happening, that Martin Luther King's granddaughter has been talking many things about politics and society at the age of 10. He also told that the advancement of phones in the future will be glasses, and we will be receiving everything that we see today in phones, in our mobile phones, in glasses. So glasses in the meaning that the glasses we wear. Another example for time traveling was an experiment was carried out in Philadelphia using the concept of teleportation and time traveling. It was time before World War II, and many countries were planning to do different methods and experiments just for killing a mass number of opponents. We don't know accurately that what happened there, but the people who watched and saw that say that they developed a magnetic reflex around a big ship. So the big ship held about 100 people who was going to fight for the war. So there was a big magnetic reflex around the ship. They also used the concept of theory of relativity. And we also know that everything in this world is made of small atoms and small particles. Even our body contains atoms, even if food contains atoms, everything contains atoms and small particles. So the concept they wanted to use here is just dismantling all the atoms in our body and everything and just teleporting to another place. They wanted to do this because in the wartime it will be easy to just teleport in one place to another and easily hide and kill people. So when they were doing this experiment, the whole ship just was teleported to New York from Philadelphia. But the people who watched it say that it was teleported in a wrong way, because what happened was everything was very clumsy in the ship. A head was hanging on one side, hand was hanging on one side, and every part of the body of 100 people were hanging on different sides of the ship. So they were not teleported accurately and every part was not assembled properly. Even the people who were there say that only 50 people were in the ship and they were died, and the remaining 50 were just simply lost. But this information wasn't given officially by the people who did this, because if they tell, they'll be in big trouble. So the people who watched this told this news. So in this video, I've just given you a small idea about time traveling and the incidents which have happened. This topic is quite vast and there are many incidents which have happened related to it. So if you want me to talk more about this, you can tell in the comments. Thank you. Live and let live.